This winter, we didn't plan a camp just to keep students busy. We planned it to keep them curious. While most holidays pull students deeper into screens, we chose to pull them into thinking, building, and doing. This wasn't about routines or classrooms. It was about hands-on moments, real problems, and the joy of figuring things out. We saw questions turn into ideas, ideas turn into action, and curiosity turn into confidence. Students didn't just attend, they explored. They didn't just learn, they experimented. And somewhere between teamwork, trial, and failure, problem solvers were born. This was fun, but purposeful, creative, but structured, playful, but powerful.
Come on.
Every student came in really curious. By the end, they were confident problem solvers. Some found clarity, some found direction, but all of them took a real step forward. That's exactly what this camp was meant to do.
So what stood out to me wasn't how fast they learned the tools, but how quickly they started thinking. They questioned, experimented, failed, and they fixed it by their own. So that's the real learning, and that's the strong foundation for what's coming next.
Good morning everyone, my name is Kavya. Today I'm going to tell you about my experiments in winter camp. I have played with Lego and did some coding in my tab. I also made a maze using Lego and I saw a robot like dancing. I love my winter camp, it's so beautiful and I have enjoyed a lot with my new friends by helping together. That's it. And the teachers are so cute.